Hey everyone, this is Ben, and thank you for joining us on this episode of the Semper Gumby channel. Well, many of you know that I believe in emergency preparedness and being prepared for the worst, but this here is something that I would use if I was out in the middle of nowhere and had a flat tire or low air tires, or even airing down on my 35-inch tires on my Dodge Ram for a little bit more grip off-road. And right here, this is the Tozalazz, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but the Tozalazz dual cylinder 12 portable air compressor. And it is an absolute game changer for all off-road enthusiasts. With this impressive 11.65 CFM, meaning cubic feet per minute capacity, this powerhouse of a compressor ensures you won't be wasting any time when it comes to airing up or airing down, whether you're tackling rocky trails or sandy dunes. This off-road air compressor has your back, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. And this thing is, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of the best air compressors that I have seen, and I want to thank Tozalazz for sending me this air compressor for testing and review. But it is a stealth product, so let's go check it out. Let's dig a little bit deeper in here and let's check it out. Now, some of the specifications of this compressor is pretty damn awesome. It has a dual drive motor that powers 540 watts each, and so that's a total of 1080 watts in total. It's impressive 11.65 CFM. Is just unbelievable. Now, this compressor is absolutely drop dead awesome. Look at it, man. It's got dual head compressors on here. It's a dual drive motor actually, and each motor has 540 watts each, so that's 1080 watts in total. And this thing pumps out an incredible 11.65 CFM and has a max capacity of 150 psi working pressure. Now, the pressure overload protection to stop this machine is at 120 psi. The duty cycle is 15 minutes of operating time. Now, this little thing only puts out 65 decibel of noise. 65 decibel from a distance, from 1 feet of distance, 65. So it's fairly quiet, and it has 8 feet of power cord with positive and negative battery clamps on here. You can put this directly to the battery, or you can go ahead and cut the cables and wire this directly into your power source. It also comes with 25 feet of air hose, enough to reach back and front tires of your vehicle. It does have a quick disconnect, air hose disconnect, and it does have a gauge on there. Now, this 12-volt air pump only takes 1 minute to go from 10 psi to 40 psi on a 33-inch tire. Yes, I run 35s on mine, so I'm thinking within 2 minutes I can pump up my tires on my Dodge Ram. Generally, a 4x4 vehicle doesn't require inflation up to 120 psi. If there are any obstructions during the inflation process, such as a manually blocking valve, or the pipeline will quickly fill with gas, causing the gas to backflow within the limited space, resulting damage to the air pump when the backflow impacts the interior of the pump, this thing shuts itself off to prevent damage. So having a pressure overload protector built in is pretty awesome. So let's go air up my tires with the Tozalazz 12-volt compressor. And as you can see, I've got 35-inch tires on my Dodge Ram, and I'm going to go ahead and let some air out, and we'll see how fast it takes for it to inflate back onto 36 psi. And we are at 35. And that is 36 psi in less than 15 seconds. I put 16 psi in my tire and it took less than 15 seconds. I am very impressed with this Tozalazz air compressor. This is one of the fastest air compressors I've used to air up my 35-inch tires. Now, if you got any questions or you would like to purchase the product, go to Tozalazz.com and right up here, Tozalazz.com. Right now, the price on this dual head compressor is $185. Regular price, it's $230, but they should be having some Black Friday deals, but right now they still have their Thanksgiving sale, which is 20% off. So go to Tozalazz.com. It's free shipping anywhere in the US, and it only takes 3 to 5 days to get there. I'm going to carry this inside of my storage box just to have with me at all times, but the Tozalazz air compressor, highly recommended.